In this brief instructional video, I am going to show you how to merge files, especially the fillable PDFs commonly used in my courses, within the Kami extension for Google Chrome. So make sure as you're following along with this that you are in Google Chrome. If you are one of my students and you've been paying attention, you have got this Kami extension pinned up here, ready to access quickly. So you will begin simply by clicking that shortcut. Otherwise, please click on the puzzle piece icon. You can open Kami then, and you should at that point go ahead and click the little push pin icon so that it is a shortcut for you all the time. All right. Once you are in Kami, you're going to come over here to the stacked menu icon here, select split and merge document. From there, you can either, if you've been keeping your files on your computer, you can upload them from My Documents, Downloads, wherever you're keeping those. I hope that you have been saving them to a Kami Uploads folder in Google Drive, which is what I've done, and that's going to be the path I'll follow here. So click on that. The example I'll use is going to be Peasant Life Notes from my world history courses. So you can simply start typing in, looking for the area of notes that you want. The order is up to you, and I'm going to go and select these in the order they were presented in my class. Which means it's best if I add key in Peasant Life. Okay. There we go. Sometimes it's a little tricky. You guys should not have near so many files with similar names as I do. We'll select your next file. And this time we're going to be looking for Hawaiian Peasant Life. Which is called Peasant Life Part 2 here. All right, so we select that. Next up in the order for this example would be Japanese Peasant Life. If you're in a sociology class, for example, you might just search culture. It's usually divided up as culture part 1, 2, 3, so on, to find your notes that way. Okay, and then in this case, the final set of notes is going to be about indentured servants. Okay, once you've selected all of your files, click Next. Okay, it seems to default to split mode. You will want to merge them. Once you've done that, click Export All. You can export to Google Drive. You can also open in Kami. I want to select folders. In this case, I've started with Kami Uploads as the folder destination, and I want to end with Kami Uploads as the folder destination. So select that, and then come down here to make your final choice, and then continue. Okay, and it will let you know that it is safely and successfully on your drive. So you click that. You can return to Kami by clicking on the stacked bars menu icon to go back to the main app. And then from Google Drive, you can go back to Kami Uploads, and you can find your exported merged document, in which case I would suggest that you go ahead and open it just to double check and give it a name that makes a little more sense to memorize than the garbled collection of letters and numbers that is there. So come back to the save icon, save to Kami Uploads. At that point, you can click and you can rename it. So I would call this maybe Peasant Notes Merged, Final, Complete, something, whatever strikes your fancy. Select OK, and now you have got your notes in an easily accessible, condensed one-stop shop for the next exam, when you need to get those notes and need to get them in a hurry. All right. That is all. Good luck and good studying. I will see you in the classroom.